Okay, right. I'm gonna, what am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna tidy my bedroom up a little bit because it is a mess. So, shut the blinds. And then I need to make my bed, even though I know I'm gonna be getting in it soon. What's the time? Oh. It is 9:45. I'm gonna make my bed. Okay, so I made my lovely bed. And now I need to put all my fresh clean clothes away, and I'm probably gonna tidy that corner up, and my makeup needs doing, and up here. Right, bedroom's a bit cleaner. Practice some makeup now for my sister's wedding, which is in not next week, the week after. You see? Gonna make myself a cup of tea in my Ava April spice pumpkin pie. What are you watching?
Crown.
The Crown. Oh, my pumpkin's gone out.
We must choose our own destiny.
So good. I can't wait to put that in my car now because it's making me feel like Christmassy. I'll tidy my car. I might do it tomorrow actually. Take you with me. I want to get it done professionally, but I don't think I'm gonna get that done. And otherwise, I'm not going to be able to put this in until after by the 1st December. So I want to do it tomorrow. I take the Hoover down. I take a bucket because the back's really dirty and I just really want to make it all white and shiny again. So that's what I'm going to do. So much for me saying originally no food in my car, but the friend's that way does it, because now I've got a car. I'm at McDonald's drive-through every day pretty much. I'm always at Tesco as well. Oh, I'm just now constantly driving like to all places for food. And basically my bank balance doesn't appreciate that, my waistline doesn't appreciate that, and my petrol light is always on. Almost 2 minutes past 10, putting my face on. Let's go. Look, sweet caramel. What's the time? 11:08. I woke up quite late, so I'm not really that disgusted with that actually, so I'm not that tired. Good morning. It is Sunday. It's I might have to clean my car today, but it looks quite cold out, and I'm like, I don't know if I want to be cold. So I've made my bed. This is my outfit. I'm just gonna wear this jumper and some leggings, and then I'm gonna go out and clean my car. Right, makeup all done. Now I'm gonna go downstairs, make breakfast for me and mother, and then I'm gonna clean my car. 1 second, let me see. It is, oh, it's 12:30, so I mean it's brunch then breakfast. Okay. Let's make breakfast. Well, it's more lunch, to be honest. Okay, I'm gonna make eggs, bacon, and beans. So. These are all the bits that I'm gonna clean my car with. There she is. I'm gonna move it forward so that I can have more space because it's next to my mum's car. I'm gonna start cleaning. Oh I need to FaceTime my sister. Okay, so the other day we were coming back from our dad's and I was driving. I had Amy's boyfriend in the back and Amy was in the front, and there was a bumblebee that was trapped in the window. Like, obviously it must have got his wings or something. No, I think it was in the door or the window. We can't remember. And then Amy let it in by accident when she forgot, and then she opened the window and it came in, and obviously we all freaked out, and I've got a massive fear of bees and wasps and things. So it was just, I was like, don't do that because I'm driving, like, don't freak me out, just try and find it. And then we never found it. Obviously now I'm cleaning the car, I found him, or she. I've cleaned the outside, but because the water got dirty, I feel like I need to get some pretty clean water and just chuck it over, because it's probably going to dry with like black drop marks. So I'm gonna go get some fresh. Ooh, a dark cloud is coming over, and I can feel the weather changing, and I think it's going to rain. I've just washed the outside. Let's just pray. Pray. God's sake. And now it's raining, which is the most annoying thing ever. But hey, we can sit and do it. I've taken everything that doesn't belong in the car back in the porch area, and everything that's staying in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and I think paint my nails, because I normally have acrylics on. They're very weak at the minute because I haven't got any acrylics on, and I'm thought I'd give them a break before the wedding. It is 10:05 and I have work tomorrow, so I have to get up early and travel into London. So I'm gonna get ready for bed, have a cozy night, watch some YouTube, have a cup of tea, and yeah.